Today I am going to teach you how to highlight white color in the skin color in this photo using the Lightroom mobile app. So, let's start editing. First, go to Light. Bring the exposure plus 0.20. Contrast to plus 10. Highlights to -20. Shadows to plus 5. Bring the whites -45. Blacks to plus 30. Now go to curve. I have copied the previous curve settings. And done. Next go to color. Bring the vibrance plus 40. Saturation to -20. Now go to color grading. First go to shadows, bring the hue 225, and saturation to 5. Now go to highlights, bring the hue 225, and saturation to 10. And done. Now go to color mix. Bring the saturation -10 and luminance to -8 for the red. Now go to orange, hue and luminance to -10. Next go to yellow, hue and saturation to -100. Now go to green, bring the saturation -100, and luminance to plus 50. Now bring the saturation -100, for all other colors. And done. Now go to effects. Bring the clarity plus 20. Days to plus 10. Now go to profiles. Select the Vintage 1 profile and bring the amount to 5. Finally go to details. Noise reductions and color noise reductions to 15. Look the final result. Goodbye guys, see you again in another video like this.